Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.